If you look at problem number 10, you notice that there is distributive property on the left side, so we will want to simplify that while dropping down the right side. So 2 times negative 4x is a negative 8x. 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6. Drop down the negative 8x plus 2 minus 10. After distributing, check to see if there are like terms. There's no like terms on the left side, however, I can combine the positive 2 minus 10. So I'm going to drop down 8x minus 6 equals negative 8x. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. There are letters on both sides. One is not smaller than the other, so I'm just going to move the negative 8x by adding it to both sides. Once again, you notice that the letters drop off, and what I am left with is a negative 6 equals negative 8. This is not a true statement. It is false, which makes my answer no solution. If you look at problem number 11, you'll notice that there is no distributive property. There are no like terms. There are not letters on both sides, so I'm just going to solve the two-step equation. First thing you need to do is get rid of the number without the letter. So I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. That gives me 4 over 7x equals 14. And now the opposite of multiplying by 4 over 7 is dividing both sides by 4 over 7. They will cancel on the left, and I get 6x is equal to 14 divided by 4 over 7, which is 24 and a half. So 24 and a half. For problem number 12, I notice that I have to distribute on the left side. Negative 2 times x is negative 12. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Negative 2 times a negative 10n is a positive 20n. I'll drop down the negative 12 plus 20n on the right. There are no like terms, but there are letters on both sides, so I'm just going to move one to the opposite side. They will both cancel because 20n minus 20n cancels, and I get negative 12 equals negative 12. Since this is a true statement, my answer is infinite solutions.